and parents, this is our perception class and it's our second lesson. We are still busy with our 4 seasons, so we're going to do some reading and counting and coloring in. So for starters, let's start. Winter, spring, summer, autumn. What shape do you see on your page? Is it maybe a circle? So let's get out our black crayon. Have you got it? Now we're going to start here by the dot on top, and you must follow the lines without lifting your hand. Don't lift up your hand. We're going in circle. Now we're going to divide our circle into 2. So we're going to start again and we're going to draw in our vertical line from top to bottom. Now we have divided our circle into 2 pieces. We call that a half. Now we're going to do it from left to right, our horizontal line. And now we've got quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now we just did our counting as well. Now we're going to start with winter. We're going to color in this quarter with brown. So get out your brown crayon. Have you got it? Let's start. That's when there's no more leaves on the trees and there's no flowers growing anymore. They are all resting during the winter. Color in nicely. Remember to hold your pencil in the correct way with your pinches and give it a little bit to rest on. And then you color in small movements and stutter. Remember, you guys are big, so you need to stay in your lines. Don't color in too rough and don't press too hard. Otherwise, you might break your crayon. Now we've colored in our first quarter. We are also learning big words, but that's just to prepare them for grade R. Now we're going to do spring. Spring is when it's a little bit warmer and the flowers are starting to come out and the trees are getting their leaves. So spring, we're going to color in pink. Have you got your pink crayon yet? Let's start. Remember again, stay in your lines. Don't make white spaces. Color in your white spaces. In Afrikaans, we call that witkoolsiekte. So don't have any spaces of white. Color in nicely. Coloring in is good for fine motor skills. It makes the hands strong for when you go to big school and you need to write a lot, so that your hand doesn't get tired easily. So this is also something to pay attention to. Now we're going to do spring. Summer. Summer is when it's nice and hot and the sun is shining bright. So we're going to color in this quarter with yellow. Get out your yellow. Have you got it? Now we're going to color in yellow. So yes, color in your quarter. Stay in the lines. That is number 3. Number 3 is yellow. The light reading is for just so that they can start to recognize certain things. If you ask them what number is yellow, they might probably tell you it's 3. Now we're going to do autumn. We are now in the autumn season, and that is when the leaves are falling off the trees. First, they change their color from green to maybe orange and red and yellow, and now they're starting to fall off. So for autumn, we think of orange. So get out your orange color. Have you got it? Now we're going to do our last quarter. And then we have completed our circle. Now we've done all our seasons: winter, spring, summer, autumn. We've done our circle. You can trace it with your finger again. We've done our vertical line from top to bottom. We've done our horizontal line from left to right. We did some counting: 1, 2, 3, 4. And these one at the bottom, you can use your finger and just trace over them with your finger. Just practice them so long. There you go. Enjoy it.